Hello, today we're going to take a look at the Business Finance Suite and talk about what makes this system truly unique. The Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today, and it's the only system that successfully combines business funding and business credit building. This means through the Finance Suite, you can get money for your business and build a business credit profile and score for your business so you can get even more money without a personal credit check and without a personal guarantee. Now, there are lenders out there that offer cash funding, but those sources do not give you the ability to build a business credit asset for your company. There are also business credit building companies out there that give limited capacity to build business credit, but those companies take 6 to 12 months to get funding because they don't have initial funding solutions. The Finance Suite is one of the only systems in existence that actually offers both. The ability for you to come in and get cash funding for your business and gives you the ability to build business credit for your business. Now, on top of that, another unique feature of the Funding Suite happens right here in Step 1. In Step 1, we walk you through a 20-point compliance checklist to make sure that you're going to meet the lending criteria before you even apply. This is something no lending source, no bank ever offers access to. This is the exact same reason that major banks are declining 89% of business applications that are actually submitted, because most people don't meet their criteria and don't know what that criteria is when they apply. But in Step 1, we break that secret code. We do what no lending source does. We actually reveal to you exactly what the lender's looking for. We even help you meet that criteria so you'll know you stand the best chance of getting approved before you even apply. In Step 2, we give you the ability to get money. Now, this again is something that no other business credit building system does. And through the Finance Suite, you have access to more funding and more funding sources that are available anywhere else on the planet. So this gives you the ability to get a lot of funding based on the strengths of your business. Most people are denied at a bank. As a matter of fact, you might not know anybody who's ever walked into a bank and successfully secured an SBA loan. The reason for this is that banks are looking at your entire business to find their risk and then determine whether they approve or decline the loan. Through the Finance Suite, the large amount of funding sources available that we have gives you the ability to get money based on the strength of your business. So if the strength of your business is that you have revenue or that you have collateral such as account receivables, inventory, even 401k or stocks, you can get money right through the system. Now, having this versatility, this flexibility allows you to get money even if you're a startup business, even if you have credit issues. And immediately this separates this from almost any banking or funding source that you're going to find. Most of those sources require you have a very solid personal and business credit built and that your business is perfect in all aspects. But through the Finance Suite, one of the uniqueness of the system is that you can get money based on the strength of your business through the largest supply of lenders and funding sources available anywhere. Now, another unique feature of the Finance Suite happens right here in Step 3. This is the only system in the world that integrates with all 3 business credit reporting agencies. Equifax, Dun & Bradstreet, and Experian are actually part of the Finance Suite. Now, on top of that, Experian even gives you access to free credit monitoring through their Experian Smart Business platform. And again, this is the only place you're able to get this at no charge. If you go to Experian yourself right now, you'll see that they charge $600 a year for the same service that you can secure through the Finance Suite at no cost. And if you're interested in building business credit, this is something you have to have. You can't build business credit successfully without having access to know what's on your credit reports. But right through the Finance Suite, you don't have to pay for that access. It's free as part of your enrollment. Plus, through the Finance Suite, we also help you gain access to a free DUNS number and a free Dun & Bradstreet credit profile activation. If you call Dun & Bradstreet right now, they'll charge you almost $800 for that same service. But through the Finance Suite, it's free as part of your enrollment. So this means on top of this being the only system which integrates with all 3 bureaus, which shows you how credible it really is, you also get over $1,400 worth of necessities from the reporting agencies that only are available here at no cost. Another unique feature of the Finance Suite happens right here in Step 4. In Step 4, you gain access to the largest supply of vendor accounts available today. You see, the problem with most business credit building companies is you pay them money and they give you a simple list of lenders, who they report to, and their contact phone numbers. Well, through the system, we give you access to more vendors that are available anywhere else. This makes it very easy for you to come in, find sources you really want to do business with, and get approved. Plus, on top of that, we also, through the Finance Suite, actually list the underwriting guidelines for each source. You're not just given a simple list of the companies who might approve you, but you know what their actual underwriting criteria even is, so you'll know you stand the best chance of getting approved before you even apply. And again, most people don't build business credit because they only have access to limited vendor accounts that are companies they really wouldn't want to do business with anyways. But right through the Finance Suite, you can access companies like T-Mobile, Best Buy, Amazon.com. Most of these are companies that you're already doing business with right now. So because of this large supply of sources, places like Staples and Quill, Uline, Gimplers, FedEx, and on and on and on, then it gives you the ability to come in, access the largest database of business credit building sources, and do business with companies you really want to do business with. Now this continues into Step 5, where again, the Finance Suite offers more revolving sources than any other business credit building system in existence today. And these are companies you're going to want to get revolving credit with. Staples, Office Depot, Home Depot. There's more sources that you're going to want to do business with at places like Apple, Costco, Walmart than are available anywhere else. As a matter of fact, some of these sources you've probably never seen and probably will never see in any other business credit building system. This makes it very easy for you to come in and get tens of thousands of dollars of credit in your business name, which requires no personal credit check or personal guarantees. All the sources on this page actually will approve you for Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express credit that you can use anywhere. And again, you're looking at the largest supply of this type of credit that's available in any other business credit building system. On top of all of this, you have access to your own certified business advisors and finance officers to help you with all aspects of navigating through the system, building business credit, and getting financing for your business. And again, this is the only source on the planet that gives you this hand-in-hand concierge service to help you navigate through the process, making it easy for you to come in, get funding for your business, and build business credit for your business. What we've talked about in this video is just some of many of the unique features of the Business Finance Suite. There is no other system like this anywhere on planet Earth. And everything we've talked about here today are unique features only to the system and are very important features that help you get money for your business and build business credit for your business so you can get even more money without a personal credit check and without a personal guarantee. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick look through of the unique features of the Business Finance Suite, which is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today.